GA4 told you conversions are down by 17%. Did it tell you why? Of course not. It just shows you numbers. After it's too late. Pulse, on the other hand, detected it instantly and showed exactly why. Pulse monitors your funnel hour by hour. It catches performance drops, spikes, and patterns that hurt revenue. Now imagine seeing your visitors in real time. Pulse lets you watch their journey, understanding instantly who's just browsing, who's really searching, and who truly has high purchase intent. Pulse even calculates an intent score for every single session based directly on their real-time behavior. It's a clear metric telling you exactly who's ready to convert, who might just need a nudge, or who has low immediate intent. When those valuable sessions drop off, this is where Pulse gets powerful. The exact reason is revealed. Is it pricing friction for someone like Joshua? Perhaps because they're looking for sales? Or a content mismatch because Ryan isn't finding the exact product he's looking for in your collection? You don't just get generalized insights, you get actionable recommendations directly addressing these anomalies. Joshua, who is price conscious, now sees discounted products first. Pulse isn't suggesting changes, it's applying them instantly across the session. Ryan's grid reprioritizes sweaters, removing the scroll friction that almost cost you the sale. Every visitor gets a site experience built for their current intent, not your static catalog. Pulse's intelligence doesn't stop there. It dives deeper to pinpoint conversion drops, detailing metrics like purchases versus cart ads, and highlights what's unusual, explaining specific anomalies behind any dip. Teams using Pulse see real results, more conversions, lower bounce rate, and higher ROAS. Run your first Pulse analysis. Take control of your conversions before they take control of you.